What's going on, guys? My name is Naveed and you are watching Naveed's View. In this video we are going to do unboxing brand new Samsung model A31. Yes, Samsung back with a new mid-range model. It's cheaper than A51 and A71. So it's sort of mid-range. Normally Samsung have three categories: low range, mid-range and high range. In low range they have A10, A20 and A30 as well. But this A31 is close to mid-range. This A31 have a new model. It's cheaper, but it comes with a very good features. Last year they launched A30 and A30s, and both devices are very successful. A31 is an upgraded version. Last year they launched A30 and A30s, and both devices are very successful. A31 is an upgraded version, and I'm very excited to see what's new they bring in it. So let's go ahead and unbox the thing and see what's new A31 have offer. The price can be vary country wise, but if you check in the dollars, it's approximately 250. It comes in a different colors like Prism Crush black, Prism Crush blue, red and white. Inside you will get the nice and clean rubber case as well. It's coming with a 15-watt charger, and you will find the cable type C to type A and the free headset as well. A31 have also plastic material, same like A51 and A71, shiny glossy design, but A31 comes with the Infinity U camera design. A51 and A71 comes with Infinity O, so they make little bit change in this. 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, screen to body ratio 84.9%. The resolution is 1080 by 2400. Pixel per inch you are getting 411. So the display is very bright and crisp display you are getting here. Android 10 1 UI 2.0 you are getting. So let's go and check the camera. On the back side they make a lot of changes. They make similar to A51 and A71. But in this price I think so it's a killer setup. Just in $250 you are getting this setup. Samsung really put a big effort to make higher model features in this price. So let's go and check the camera. On the back side they make a lot of changes. They make similar to A51 and A71. But in this price I think so it's a killer setup. Just in $250 you are getting this setup. Samsung really put a big effort to make higher model features in this price. On the back side here you are getting four cameras. 48 megapixel is the main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and macro lens is 5 megapixel, and 5 megapixel you are getting a depth camera. On the front side if you will see, it's a 20 megapixel, so this is also a new camera, and I think so you will get very good selfies with this. All in one, I think so this phone going to be a best phone of this year. Hope friends you like this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. See you in next video on Naveed's View.